Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have Storage Explorer installed, your Azure credentials, and network access. Once verified, open the app from Start or your Applications folder. When the app window appears, focus on the left pane where accounts are shown. This is where you begin connecting. If you're signed into Windows or Microsoft, sign out then sign in with your Azure account to ensure the right tenant. Make sure to choose the subscription that contains the storage resources you need. Now you connect to the storage. Click Add Account or choose Connect using a SAS, connection string, or Azure AD. You do this to control access level and scope. If using Azure AD, pick the correct tenant and subscription so you see relevant storage accounts. Once connected, expand the Storage Accounts node and locate the account, then open blob containers or file shares to view containers. If you need to mount a file share, use the Mount option or copy the connection string for external mounting tools. Finish by opening the container or share and performing actions. Double-click a blob to download or preview, use Upload to push files, and drag and drop for quick transfers. You can right-click resources to generate a SAS, copy URLs, or view properties. This is how you manage access and metadata. If something goes wrong, sign out and sign back in, verify subscription filters, and confirm your proxy or firewall allows Azure endpoints. If necessary, restart Storage Explorer to refresh cached permissions and listings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.